I came in to see Dr. Pruitt for a routine cleaning or through the office in Lakeview. Just a normal situation like we had been. We were coming every 6 months. And the gal Liz, in her investigations, found some strange markings, strange growth or something in the roof of my mouth. Immediately called Dr. Pruitt in to investigate to see what his thoughts were on what that might be.
And our hygienist, I'm so proud of Liz for this, but she noticed a small lesion on the roof of his mouth. And what we ended up doing is pursuing that and having an oral surgeon biopsy it, who then sent him to the MD Anderson Cancer Center to find out that this was a carcinoma that needed to be removed.
He said, we've got to remove that. This could be something serious, and he felt it was right away. In his findings, he said it was cancer, and besides having the discomfort and the problem with all of that, it scared the bejesus out of me. It's because of the location of it and how close to the brain and other stuff. I thought that, I had limited time.
And we were actually able to catch that quick enough to where he didn't even have to have radiation or chemotherapy. And we were able to surgically excise it and clear all the margins. And we've been monitoring him over the last 10 years, and he's still in great shape. So we're excited to have Sid around.
The whole thing had me scared to death. After that, I said, we're going to come in for cleaning. And now we change it to every 3 months. Because there was just no way I would have made it. I don't know what would have happened had it lasted another 6 months or 3 months or so before they had found it. I mean, because there was no pain, there was no problems. I had no indication it was there. And I had a plate already at the time, which would mean that there was nothing up there to really bother. I, like a lot of people, say, if you don't have any teeth up there, you really don't have to worry. Well, believe me, that's not true. And it's a very terrifying situation to find out that you don't know where you're at. I'm very thankful for Dr. Pruitt and the Lakeview Dentistry to what they've done, and his whole group in here has been nothing but great. And golly, I'll tell you what, there is no better practice.